change. Been through a lot of pain.
Hey guys, my package just came in from SHEIN. I ordered some stuff. You know, I told you guys I'm traveling. This is my travel. I think I have another package, guys. Also, can you open for me, please? Yeah, I just got my package. Hi.
We're dumb excited right now. We're dumb excited right now.
For this package because I just came back.
You just came back?
Yeah.
Outside
To get something. Thank God I didn't miss it. I told you. So guys, my stuff just came in. Yeah. Please don't pay attention to the dining, okay? So guys, I want to grab my mic because I feel like my voice will not be settled if I don't use my mic. So I just got this order. These are some of the stuff that I'm going to be using to travel. I'm just going to unbox it with you guys. I will show you guys my Amazon order and also the order that came from SHEIN. I just came back home. I want to get something, okay? As I was just getting in, I saw this order. I think my dad picked up this order and also the Amazon order came in. Most of this stuff they're going to travel with me, and most of this Amazon stuff are also going to travel with me. You got that one today? Or you have it before?
Yes.
You have this club before?
Yeah.
So this was the same thing then?
Yeah. I want it. Yeah, that's one. I want it skinny.
Okay, I'll put it
like this.
I'll put up the machine.
Hey guys, like this.
Bend down your head. They can't see.
I look crazy.
No, it's okay.
Look, I want it this skinny.
Which one?
This.
You know, but there's no way I can make it shorter though.
No, not short.
But the body.
Skinny. I want it tight.
Tight.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys, she wants me to help her sew this because
She sews.
yeah, I also sew, so I'm gonna add it to the vlog. So first, because I'm traveling, I have a power bank here because I want to take it with me. I will charge it just in case there's no light, or you know, I'm traveling to Nigeria, if you guys don't know. So because there's no light, I will just charge this down and then I can use it to charge my phone because I'll be doing a lot of videos. I got a new selfie stick or a new tripod stand. I got this one. I'm gonna use it to travel with me. This one is a little bit pricey than the first one, so I got this one. I think is giving what it should give. I can make it taller, like 62 inches, and I can also use it as a mini tripod stand. So whoa, this is good. It came with this bag. Wow, came with this bag. It came with this universal holder, phone holder, which I'm going to show you guys how to use it. It came with this universal holder. It came with the remote. Came with this remote. Came with another holder. I don't know what this is for. I'm going to give it to my husband and he's going to help me fix it. And this is the manual. And this is the main thing. Oh my god, guys, I've been wanting to. They have different kind. I think this is what is this tripod stand is what is trendy right now. So when I saw it, I was very happy. Guys, it's huge. You can also put in your handbag. You can also put in the bag that it came with. Wow.
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's
So guys, this is the last package I came from Amazon. I had to take a break to try to fix the tripod stand, and it works. I also got this mini ant fan, my power bank to charge it, and I'll just use it if I'm really feeling very hot, like I go to the store, if I go to the market, you know, because when I travel to Nigeria, I don't stay at home. I shop a lot because those stuff I bring them back to New York. Oh my god. So this is the off and on button. So you can also increase it. I got this waist trainer. I told you the last vlog I got a waist trainer, but it was too small for me. I returned it and then I just got this one. I got the one, I believe this one is going to size me, and it's very very thick, and the name of it is Feeling Girl. So here I have this jeans. Let me open it. Wow, this is a short jeans. Wow, it's gonna fit me, thank God. It's very stretchy. Woo! It's short, it's not long. This is going to Nigeria also. Got some t-shirts. Yeah. Oh my God, see this t-shirt? This is so nice. Wow, God, the quality of this cloth is nice. I love this color. This one's 0S large. This one is nice, but it's short. I don't know why it's short. I like t-shirt that are long, but this is kind of short, but it's okay. It's gonna fit me anyways. It's a 2-piece. This is the shirt with this biker short, so it's the same. It's like a 2-piece, and I really love this. Okay, I also got this color. See, this color is so nice. I have these pants. This is big, but it's okay. I also have this one. It's a pants. I like it. Oh my God, it's so stretchy. Look at this t-shirt. Why is the quality so good? Oh my God, I wish you guys can feel this this white t-shirt. Oh my God, it's so nice. You can never go wrong with SHEIN, trust me. Wow, okay. Yeah, these are gonna fit me really good. If it's too big, I have a sewing machine. I'm just gonna use it to sew it. The material, I always shop from SHEIN, trust me. Wow, look at this one. The color, mwah. The material is nice. Woo. And it came with a pocket. Yeah, these are all going with me to Nigeria. I also got this bucket hat. This one I'm going to be using to travel that day, because I'm not going to braid my hair. I'm going to go with just my regular cornrow, and then I'll put this on it. So I bought this one. I bought this shower cap. There's a shower cap, so which I'm going to travel with. I bought these silicone empty bottles. Yeah, this is silicone. You can press it. I'm gonna put my shampoo and my conditioner. It came in pack of 3. Please subscribe to my channel. I also bought this one to wash the back of my leg, because my leg tends to be very hard. So with this one, when I'm showering, I'll just use it to wash the back of my legs. Okay. Next, I bought these lashes. I'm gonna try it, but it's very long. I don't do long lashes. It seems to be very long. Yeah, I also bought these lashes. Okay, I bought this bonnet for me to sleep. I already bought my nightgown. I got that already before I started my YouTube channel. So before I started doing vlog, I already got that one. So you guys are gonna see me pack them. I bought this one. It's very nice. Oh wow, I like it. And it came with this towel. So I'm just gonna put it on my head whenever I'm going to bed, and then I'll just tie it around my head to cover whatever, or if I have my wig, or if I have my cornrow to cover it up. I bought this one. I think I bought 2 of this. This one is the pink one. This is a light pink color. The reason I bought this black is because it wrote here Queen. If not, I won't go for black. Nah, I don't like black, but it said Queen, so I just got it. And then this one is very big. Yo, I like it. It's pink and it's very thick. Because it's pink, I got this one. There's nothing written, so I just got this one. I like it. And I got this set of packing packs. This is what I'm going to be using to pack my bras. I'm going to use it to pack my panties, even the airbands, the nets. This is what I'm going to be using to pack most of my stuff. It came a pack of 6. I'm going to use some of this to pack my makeup, because I have a makeup bag, but it's very big. So it came like this. This is one, not very strong. The quality is it's not that good, but it's okay. I'll go with it. I'm gonna use it to pack session all my stuff instead of throwing them inside the luggage. I'm just gonna use it to session them. So this one came. This is a little idea of the stuff that you can get when you want to travel. Instead of having your stuff littering around, you can just get the stuff. Okay, I think that's it. That is everything that I ordered for my traveling. This is just all the stuff that I'm gonna travel with, everything. So guys, this is the tripod stand. I told you can use it as a tripod stand. You can also use it as selfie stick. Okay, so I just put it down, and then I'll just screw it on the bottom to make it tighter, and then that's it. I can use it to film. It can stand. So I'm going to travel with this just in case I want to film a standing video, or if I'm doing something in the kitchen, I want you guys to film with me or just be with me. I'm going to use this. But if I want to do the traveling one, just to have a tripod stand, I'll make it just to have a selfie stick. I'll just make it smaller for me to video whatever I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna set it up, you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys when I start using it. You can also use it to take a picture, because it came with a camera remote. You can put your phone and then just press it and take a picture from afar. It goes very, very far. It's I think I bought this for like $20-something. So yeah, you can give it a try. Trust me, I read a lot of reviews before I got this tripod stand, and I think this is what is happening right now. Like, this is what people use, and it came with a lot of good stuff. Okay,
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Change. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
So guys, I'm here at Foodstuffs and these are so expensive. I wanted to get the jumbo eggs and the price is too much. So I decided to get the organic one, which I feel like is way better. So I'm here at Foodstuffs to get some. This is my last shopping. This is my food stuff. I'm going to stock up the house before. I'm going to stock up the house before I travel. Because I'm traveling. So I'm going to do this shopping for my family before leaving. I'm only going to go for a few weeks. I'm not staying that long, but I need to do this shopping. Yeah, you guys should shop along with me.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no